Sigrid?
Adrian.
Adrian.
Sigrid.
Sorry, I thought you said Sigrid.
No. We also like yung sustainability na pinopromote ni Miss Adrian sa business.
So for us today, what we're gonna use is soy wax.
So we have
Cotton wicks and sustainers that are already pre-made. It may come in full glass form. Your candles can also come in tin forms.
Good morning, guys. It's a Monday morning. We're here in BGC, fresh from the weekend and ready to start the week. Today we're with Honda Philippines, and those are all Honda BRV behind us. What we're gonna be doing is what?
We are going to go for a nice chill drive, and then
Chill
we're going to
drive.
do a workshop for candle making, and we're going to try the car in the city where it kind of belongs, and we'll just have fun today, and you guys are coming with us. So let's do that today on,
Yeah, let's do
on
that.
this very nice Monday morning.
We will be driving the car, testing out its features, trying out what it can do, how it performs. So stay tuned. We're gonna go through all that. Let's go. This is gonna be our vehicle for today's trip, and I really like the color, and Vika agrees as well.
Yes,
Right?
can't go
You also
wrong.
have black here, silver there, but I think this one's most unique.
You can see the difference of the
Yeah,
white.
actually this is the white
This is a white one.
variant, and this is the pearlescent.
There's a nice sheen and glitter to it. This one, it's a little more elegant, a little more classy.
Sir! Bye-bye. Ingat, sir. Salamat. See you again next time. We're starting the drive in a bit, in a few minutes. I don't know why we have this here. It's not for the vehicle, because this has speakers already, of course. But yeah, I don't know why we have this here. Let's start charging things. Right here we have a power outlet. We have a couple of other USB ports there. So we'll plug one in for Android Auto. So as soon as I plugged it in, this thing comes out. So let's choose Android Auto. All right. It's always a lot easier with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay around, because you basically have the contents of your phone mirrored to the display. So for example, navigation or music or even calls, all in here without even looking at your phone. It's really convenient.
And for me, just these two, Waze and Spotify,
Yeah.
already a winner.
For this drive, we're gonna be testing the vehicle around the city, around the metro. Probably the reason why they wanted to drive this in the city is because they want us to try also how fuel efficient it's gonna be. So that's one thing that we're definitely gonna find out. Speaking of fuel efficiency, let's start to reset this counter.
In the presentation they showed us earlier, the fuel efficiency was at 24
Something like that,
kilometers
yeah.
per liter. That's pretty impressive.
We just reset the meter, and we'll see how it performs fuel-wise.
We do have Honda sensing on this, so that's
Yeah.
also really fun. That's the thing with the BRV lineup this year. Only the top variant has Honda sensing.
VX, yeah.
The VX, yeah. If you watch our first video on it, our first look, you will see that, and that's me in that video.
Thank you. When you're driving and you have blind spots around, and one of the main blind spot is your right side, being the driver on the left hand side. So once you turn your signals to the right, camera on the right shows up here, and you can see now if it's clear or whether it's clear or not, or if any vehicles there, it means it's close to you. But definitely don't change lanes when it's on the red. Small things, but it's pretty helpful. Buttons are here for controls, as well as cruise control and all that. Menu navigation, it's very clicky. The buttons are very clicky, but it's very ergonomic as well. So even if you don't look at the buttons, you can kind of feel them. You wouldn't have to take your eyes off the road, so pretty useful.
Since we're stuck in traffic, here, let me show you some of the apps that you can actually access because of Android Auto. Yep, even Discord. Gotta keep up with those gaming friends.
It's Valentine's Day is coming up, so We have all those flowers available.
Oh,
Are you gonna buy me flowers, Vika?
You've never bought me flowers.
I buy you food.
That's better. Okay. Yeah.
Sound off in the comments if you prefer chocolates or other food versus flowers. So flowers versus food, let us know in the comments. We are team food. We are here at Cubao. Our destination is somewhere in Cubao X. It's been less than an hour, or almost an hour, but we went through some kind of heavy, moderate traffic, I would say. And right now, with the 11.9 kilometers that we've driven, we are now at 7.9. Well, earlier it was at 8 kilometers per liter. So still not that bad considering we went through almost bumper to bumper traffic for a while. In a bit we'll be we're here. We're turning to Cubao X where we will have our soy candle making contest. No, it's not a contest.
Who has the best candle?
Who has the best soy candle? But yeah, we're here. It's been actually years since I was last here.
And this place, as you can see, not a lot is open because it's actually a place where it comes alive later in the afternoon or later at night.
Yeah. The BRV is really light to drive. Plus, you have all the other features, smart safety features that comes with the vehicle. So you kind of have that assurance. You can rest easy somehow knowing that you have other sensors all over, kind of assisting you while you drive to make sure that you don't get into any major accidents. So far so good. I don't know where they are. So let's kind of go around and try to look for everyone. Yung ordua. Thank you. So it's that spot over there. Let me just get our tripod.
Wrong car. Joke la.
It is wrong car.
It is the wrong car? Okay. We are going into the wrong.
Same color. Alright, we're good. Actually, I didn't have to do that because this vehicle has walk-away auto lock. When the vehicle senses that the key fob is away, it automatically locks itself. So I didn't have to do that, but just to be sure, I guess. So we finally found the place. We were knocking at the wrong store. It's here apparently.
There's Khalid.
Hindi, dyan din. Pero nung may candle making doon na store, umakato kami sarado.
It smells so good in here.
Sigrid. Adrian. Sorry, I thought you said
And
Sigrid.
we also like yung sustainability na pinopromote ni Miss Adrian sa business niya.
So for us today, what we're gonna use is soy wax. It does look like flakes of food. If you smell it, it smells like Crayola. Do you actually know that Crayola's main ingredient is soy wax? So we have cotton wicks and sustainers that are already pre-made. It may come in full glass form. Your candles can also come in tin forms, meaning to say the uses of tin cans. And pwede rin yung mga more aesthetically pleasing containers like these. So the coconut balls can also be used as a candle vessel. Why? This is actually fireproof. Cute!
Taking so long. Melt, please.
Yes. Lack of responsibility in the need for attention. You want to have a little space for the heat to run, so you only want your wax to fill up until this spot of the vessel. Remember, patience is a talent, not a virtue.
That's Katha Lifestyle Store and Cafe right there. You can visit it for your candle making needs. Also, that's Kuya Al right there. Kuya Al! Okay, sige. Thank you. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Okay, we are done with our candle making activity. It's been pretty fun. Definitely a good break, an appreciated break from all the everyday things we do. Right now, we are just at 17 kilometers of total driving since this morning. And a lot of those were like traffic, crawling through traffic. So we have that in terms of fuel economy. But I just want to kind of stretch this trip longer. So I will show you the fuel consumption maybe tomorrow before we turn this over to Honda Philippines. As of right now, we're at 17.2 kilometers and we're still at 8 kilometers per liter in terms of fuel consumption. Again, still good considering we went through traffic, but just to further kind of get a good mileage on this vehicle, let's stretch the trip until tomorrow. So let's do that. But as of right now, we're full. We're not sleepy at all because of the good coffee that they have. But yeah, you can visit them, you can check them out, especially if you want to, get your fix of handmade candles. They don't only sell candles, they have lots of other trinkets that you can check out. So we suggest that you do that. Vika wanted a lot from their store. But okay, we're almost home now, so I guess we'll see you tomorrow for the rest of this content. See you. Good morning. It's now past 6 a.m. and I have been driving for almost an hour now. And the total distance that we drove since we restarted its counter is now at 70.2 kilometers. So around 70 kilometers with 11.3 kilometers to the liter. Still really impressive. And it's mostly because of the vehicle switching to eco mode on its own when it senses that you're coasting. If you don't need that much power, the vehicle senses it. It automatically switches to eco mode to save you more gas. So that's one of the main reasons that we were able to achieve above average fuel consumption. Good afternoon. Wow.